Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Danny, the Wicked Awesome Gardener, and today is a holiday that I really enjoy and really love to have fun with, and that is World Naked Gardening Day. That's right, the first Saturday in May is two things that I really love, and that is the Kentucky Derby and World Naked Gardening Day. So it's a little bit colder this year than it was last year, and that's saying something because it was only about 55 degrees last year. Well, this year it's 45. But I love you guys, and I love just the goofiness of this holiday, so I'm all in. So let me go get into the spirit, and I will give you guys all my best tips and tricks for enjoying this holiday. While I'm getting changed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you stay up to date on all my videos. And tomorrow, May 8th at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I am doing a live stream celebrating my monetization, and I'm going to be giving away a lot of really cool things, including a green stalk planter. So you don't want to miss that. Click the bell icon, stay up to date. Be right back. Okay, first off, safety tips. Like in real estate, the first rule to enjoying Naked Gardening Day is location, location, location. You can't enjoy this holiday from behind bars for indecent exposure, so make sure you are somewhere where your bare essentials are not visible to people who may not want to see them. Number 2 is another 3-word rule. Sunscreen, sunscreen, sunscreen. I know I said this last year, but it is very important. Protect your skin. You're showing parts of your body today that normally do not see daylight, and you really can't enjoy this day with a burnt bum. Rule number 3, choose appropriate tasks. Using sharp clippers or hedge trimmers to clean your yard up and trim branches and roses, things like that, not going to be your best friend today. You definitely don't want to be moving cacti or working on your raspberry bushes, all of that stuff. It's just a no. Minimize injuries by choosing Naked-friendly activities like transplanting starts or dropping seeds. Speaking of dropping seeds, let's talk about ways to have fun today. Number 1, grow something cheeky. Why not grow some bush beans or some pole beans, some German Johnson tomatoes, or a Peter pepper? Cucumbers and carrots are a good choice too. Anything that will bring a smile to your face. As for me, I'm going to be growing some personal-sized melons.
Should you happen to feel the urge while you are celebrating, go ahead and just take what my 4-year-old friend Weston calls a nature pee on your compost. Yes, urine is actually very rich in nitrogen. Although a mild disclaimer to this, if you are on any sort of medication, you may want to avoid this celebratory step.
As it's Derby Day, something a little festive added to your outfit might also be appropriate. Something like a silly hat might give your birthday suit a nice jaunty air. It also might convince your neighbors that you have finally lost your mind. Being naked can really heighten your senses, so take advantage of that extrasensory perception and meditate in your garden. You might be surprised as to what your mind can discover when you're really, really quiet and in touch with the earth. And finally, holidays are for your loved ones, so sharing this day with a partner can definitely increase your satisfaction and enjoyment. They can also reach the places on your back where you can't reach with that sunscreen. All right, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this goofy little bit as much as I did, and I don't know what I'm going to do next year to top it, but hopefully you had some fun, and I'm going to go inside and have a fruit salad. Bye-bye. I really didn't do it again.